My name is Jenna Palant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom? Hey there, home enthusiasts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Room Bloom. I know. It's been a minute since the last episode. With all the family rooms renovation projects, I quickly learned it was a fool's errand to both renovate and edit videos at the same time. So I decided with the next room, I would renovate, then edit. And yes, I also realized that I originally said March of this year for new episodes. And here we are in July. Whoopsie daisy. Between running my upholstery business, helping my design clients, and, well, renovating this house, the first half of my 2019 was nothing short of jam-packed with creative work. But I promise y'all, it was definitely worth the wait. Since the last episode, I have renovated 3, yes, count them, 3 additional rooms. Our master bedroom, the entryway, and our home office. The entryway was completed back in April for the 1 room challenge, and its big reveal can be found on my design style blog, luckylittlemustardseed.com. The other 2 rooms, however, will be shared right here on Room Bloom, starting with our master bedroom. Our master bedroom is the epitome of 50 Shades of Tan, and has been that one room I have been dying to get my creative hands on. Ugh, that bland wall color and that nasty shag carpet. Well, it doesn't belong in a beautiful house like this. Thus, as soon as I got back in January from visiting my folks back in Nebraska, I went straight into renovation mode and started ripping up that nasty shag carpet. The task of tearing out the old carpet proved to be both very therapeutic, while also equally disgusting. Unless it's an area rug form these days, I absolutely despise shag carpeting. Ugh. Once the old shag carpet was out of there, I made a quick sweep, getting ready to start on the master bedroom's rough work the following day. The master bedroom's rough work included cutting into the drywall, rerouting some electrical wiring, and smoothing one of its walls for future wallpaper. For all the drywall and electrical rough work, I had the extremely helpful help of my contractor friend Steve, who always swoops in to save the day on all my interior design projects. For our master bedroom renovation, it was very important to me for us to implement his and her lighting on each side of our bed, meaning we would need to cut into the drywall and rework some of the electrical wiring. And this is where Steve absolutely shines, as my designs aren't always the easiest to execute. But with Steve, if there's a will, there's a way. After we had completed all of the his and her lighting electrical, I got in gear with the drywall repairs, using the technique I had learned from Steve with our earlier family room renovation projects. Then, while Steve was out on a family vacation, I started the tedious task of smoothing the orange peel texture on our future accent wall, which, needless to say, was way more work than I had originally anticipated. I mean, how time-consuming can applying joint compound to a texture wall be? I went through 3 1-gallon containers. And applying the joint compound wasn't even the hardest part. After the joint compound dried from pink to white, I next had the arm work out from hell, sanding down that darn wall smooth for its future wallpaper, finishing it, just in time for my contractor friend Steve's return. Once back from vacay, Steve and I went to town on the remaining electrical rough work, MacGyvering away to hide all of the Samsung frame TV's wiring, which of course made this interior designer very happy indeed. I mean, sure, it did cause me to have some more drywall repair work and a few other areas where I had to apply some additional joint compound. But it also meant that both the new carpeting and the accent walls wallpaper was ready to install. Huzzah! Join me here next episode as I start adding some of the colorful design elements to our master bedroom renovation project. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell at the top of your YouTube screen. That way you will never ever miss a new single episode of Room Bloom. But if you're wanting some colorful inspiration on the daily, you of course can always follow me on Instagram under my name @JennaPallant. Have a colorful day, y'all. It's always a good day to have a great one.